Subscribe to Mark Tutorial YouTube channel and press this bell icon so you can stay updated with latest videos. Hello friends and welcome to Mark ERP tutorial in which we will discuss on balance sheet option of final reports menu. Basically, balance sheet represents the financial position of a company or business at the end of an accounting year. This statement consists of the closing balance of all assets and liabilities and the net result, profit or loss of a company. That is, it displays the summary of the financial balances of a sole proprietorship, a business partnership or a company. Now let's see its process in the software. For that, firstly we will go to Final Reports menu, then click on Balance Sheet option. So a stock valuation window will appear with three options regarding updating the balance sheet. No, current days and all days. No means if you do not want to view the updated value of stock, then you will select No button. Then is current date. Means if you want to view the updated value of stock on the current date basis, then select current date. Like we will click on current date button. So this stock valuation window will appear asking you that update the balance sheet stock, in which two fields are shown to you. First is update opening, in which we will select whether we want to update the opening in balance sheet or not as per the requirement. Then next field is valuation on, in which we will select the rate from this drop down as per the requirement, that at which rate we require to view the stock on balance sheet. Like on purchase rate, rate A, rate B, rate C, MRP rate, cost plus extra and so on. So suppose we select cost plus extra and then press enter key. So you can now view that the balance sheet statement is displayed as per the defined settings. Now press escape key, so you will switch to the main window of the software. Now again go to balance sheet option from the Final Reports menu. Now is all days. If you want to view the stock value of all days on balance sheet, then select all days. Then again this stock valuation window will appear, in which software will ask you that you want to update the opening or not. So select it as per the requirement. Then press enter key. Then is valuation on, in which we will select that at which rate we require to view the stock value on balance sheet statement. So whatever rate you want to set, you can select it from this drop down and then press enter key. So in this case, the balance sheet statement will get displayed for all the days. Here in the right hand side, you can see the assets. Assets are those which have company rights. And here in left hand side of the assets are liabilities. It means company have how much liabilities. And all the personal and real account are displayed to you here in this balance sheet. After that, if you want to view the balance sheet statement month wise, then press F2 function key. Then select the month from this drop down. For example, May, in order to view the statement and press enter. So this select window will open, in which we will specify the date, that is from which date till which date the balance sheet statement needs to be viewed. Example, 1st May 2019 to 31st May 2019. Then press enter key. Then is with opening. If you want to view the monthly statement of balance sheet with opening, then set this field to yes. Otherwise keep this field as no. So we will set this field to yes and press enter key. So here you can now view the balance sheet as per the specified dates. Now if you need to switch to profit and loss statement from this balance sheet window, then press F3 function key. So in this way you can directly switch to profit and loss statement window. Again press F3 function key for coming back to balance sheet window. Moreover, if you want to view any component in detailed form, then either click on that component or simply press enter key. So here you can view the detailed form of the selected component. Now if we will keep pressing enter on any of the component, then the software will display the further details of that particular component, as you can see on the screen. Now keep pressing escape key and come back to the main window of the software. Now in order to filter only those components which are with balances, we will again go to balance sheet option, then click on all days button and set this fields like before. Then from here we will press F7 function key. So now you can see here that only those components are shown which have balances. Now if you need to view the opening balances in the balance sheet, then press Alt plus F2 key from this window. So in this way you can view the opening balance. Now if you need to print the balance sheet in horizontal or vertical form, then press Alt plus P key. So a balance sheet printing window will appear with 6 options, that is vertical without detail, vertical with detail, horizontal without detail, horizontal with detail, Schedule 6 corporate, annexures, Schedule 6. Suppose we select horizontal without detail. Then a horizontal without detail window will appear with below mentioned options, that is, in which first field is copies. Define the number of copies here as per the requirement. Suppose we enter 1 and press enter. Then is heading. Set the heading here as per the requirement. Suppose balance sheet. And then is ledger name. Select the ledger name as per the requirement. Then select the desired format from the multiple formats: Excel, Word, PDF, HTML, etc., in which the balance sheet needs to be exported as per the requirement. Suppose we need to view the print preview before printing, so we will click on view. Then from this window, click on PDF icon from the below icons. Then this report in format window will open. Click on GUI view button. Select the print report which is attached with your software and then click on OK button. So in this way you can view the horizontal form of the balance sheet without detail. So friends, by following these steps shown in the video, you can use the balance sheet option of Mark ERP software. Thanks for watching.